Let's talk about the Girl Big Collector. There are generally two purposes for using gorbitical collectors. This is to prevent memory lyrics or dangling pointers. Let's take a closer look at how memory lyrics occur. Let's assume that reference relationships between objects are formed in this way. An object has B object as a point, B object has C object as a point, and this is the concept. But in the middle, in some of these connections, let's assume that we've deleted this B object. Then he disappeared. These objects held as points by this B object have not been deleted from memory. Can memory happen in this case? Now next is dingling. And what kind of concept is dingling now? Object A had object B as a point. But the B object became dilate. This deleted pointer to the deleted pointer location. This is also one of the main causes of crashing now, because the moment you try to access it, you're accessing an insignificant memory location. In this way, the problem occurs by accessing an already released memory pointer, which is now usually called dangling. So in order to solve these things, there are really various ways in this Galvisi collector. Basically, in order to apply the iGalvig collector, when we assign an object, we add the concept of a header in front of it. So this data, for example, we can create a tree object, Hume can create an object, and in this situation, we can put this actual data part separately and put something in front of it, and we can apply that Albisi collector. We're putting metadata here to use. So for example, when we say we apply mark import and RBC collect, we will put mark bit information, and when we say we apply RFS counting and RBC collector, we will apply it by putting RFS count information here. So let's take the game engine as an example, when we said that there is an update loop like this at the end. If you apply this Galvez cladding rosing, there will be connections and reference relationships between various types of objects, and by searching based on these routes, you can release them and prevent wrangling. It plays the role of inserting a null pointer into the pointer field. This is really the basic concept of some GABS collecting. From then on, we will talk about the mark import method and the reference counting method among the various GABS collection methods.